महाराष्ट्र स्टेट गव्हर्मेंट सेट एक्झामिनेशन जे की 26 मार्च 2023 झाली होती, त्याची आन्सर की आहे, एक्सपेक्टेड आन्सर की आहे. अजून गव्हर्मेंटनी आन्सर की रिलीज नाही केलेली आहे. हे आन्सर्स मी आणि माझी टीम मिळून बनवलेले आहे. मे बी हे डिफर असू शकतात. महाराष्ट्र स्टेट गव्हर्मेंटची आन्सर कीमध्ये आणि याच्यामध्ये थोडंफार फरक असू शकतात. पण this will be helpful or beneficial for you to check your answer. So let's start. First question is, home visit is a tool essential used in dash method. So याचं करेक्ट आन्सर काय आहे? याचा करेक्ट आन्सर आहे सोशल केस वर्क. Okay, so next question is the diagnostic school in social casework was developed by whom? So it is developed by whom? It is developed by Mary Richmond. Hope you all are know. Next question is, during the study of the case, if the worker find that the client is changing his version from what has already been revealed and ask reason for the same, dash is called. What is called? So this is called as exploration, अन्वेषण त्याला मराठीत म्हणतो. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चनचा आन्सर आहे, द क्लायंट सेंटर थेरपी एस्टॅब्लिश बाय द कार्ल रोजर्स नॉट नोन बाय द टर्म सच ॲज. तो कोणते नावाने त्याला ओळखलं जात नाही होतं, तर ते होतं इंडिव्हिज्युअल सायकोथेरपी. ओके, इंडिव्हिज्युअल सायकोथेरपी व्यक्तिगत मनोचिकित्सा याचं करेक्ट आन्सर आहे. नेक्स्ट, assertion and reason. So first assertion is, working with drug addict and individual having behavior problem need long term casework. Reason काय, the intervention techniques such as behavior modification and psychotherapy necessitate a long time frame to achieve the intent outcome. तर ह्याचं करेक्ट आन्सर काय आहे? ए. Both the statement are correct and the R is the correct explanation of A. Next question, question number 6. Which of the following is not the principle of group work? Which of the following is not the principle of group work? Its correct answer is, it's B. The creation of leadership. Remember, in the creation of leadership of इन मेंबर म्हणजे सदस्यांमध्ये नेतृत्व निर्माण करणे, हा याचं करेक्ट आन्सर आहे. ठीक आहे, क्वेश्चन नंबर 6चं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आहे, इन ग्रुप वर्क द ग्रुप वर्कर डॅश. समूह कार्यात समूह कार्यकर्ता काय करतो? नेक्स्ट म्हणजे याचे करेक्ट आन्सर काय आहे? याचे करेक्ट आन्सर आहे ऑप्शन नंबर डी. Does not encourage leadership in the group as this will disintegrate the group. समूहात नेतृत्वास प्रोत्साहन देत नाही, कारण त्याच्यामुळे समूहात फूट पडू शकते. ओके, सो डी इज द करेक्ट आन्सर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. विच आर द टू मेजर कॅटेगरी ऑफ ग्रुप विच द सोशल ग्रुप वर्कर वर्क्स विथ. सो कोणते ते मेजर कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक्स आहे? हा जे क्वेश्चन आहे याच्या क्वेश्चनचं मला करेक्ट आन्सर भेटला नाही अजून, म्हणजे भेटलं आहे पण अजून मी कन्फ्यूज आहे, म्हणून याला सोडून द्या तुम्ही. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन बघू आपण. विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट द प्रिन्सिपल ऑफ सोशल ग्रुप वर्क. सो विच ऑफ द नॉट इज द प्रिन्सिपल ऑफ सोशल ग्रुप वर्क? इट इज ऑप्शन नंबर सी, ग्रुप एक्सेप्टन्स. ग्रुप एक्सेप्टन्स इज नॉट अ, समूहाचा स्वीकार इज नॉट अ principle of social group work, whereas specific objective, group formation and guide intervention are the principle of social group work. Okay, next question. While creating awareness about the health issue in a group, which of the following should not be done? So what should not be done? So its right answer is D. teach as much as you can in one session. Okay, so 10th question's correct answer was D. Next, Bhudan movement was initiated at. So where the Bhudan movement initiated? So it initiated in Pochampalli. Okay, Pochampalli, option number D. Option number D is correct. Next question is, which of the following is dominant type of leadership? So its correct answer is the autocracy. ऑटोक्रॅसी मध्ये हुकुमशाही ही जी आहे होती ही काय होती, वर्चस्व प्रकारची नेतृत्व असते ही. ठीक आहे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, सोशल ॲडव्होकसी इज रिप्रेझेंटिंग द विक्टमाइज. What? Representing the victimize. Representing the victimize. Okay. Next question. Question number 14. What is not community organization model? So कोणतं कम्युनिटी ऑर्गनायझेशन मॉडेल नाही आहे. तर याचं जर करेक्ट आन्सर होता ना, हा पण आहे ना मला भेटलेला नाही आहे. तर याला आपण स्किप करू. याला 2-4 क्वेश्चन असे आहे ती खूप कन्फ्युजिंग आहे. म्हणजे त्याचे उत्तर आहे ना मी शोधलेले आहे पण स्टील आय एम नॉट सॅटिस्फाईड. ओके. सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, Dash has introduced 3 model of community organization. So I hope you all know it's Jack Rothman, ज्यांनी की 3 model of community organization दिलेले आहे. Which among the following was not revolutionary movement? So which was the revolutionary movement? Not नाही बरं का. Which among the following was the revolutionary movement? सो आपल्या सगळ्यांना माहिती आहे इंडियन नॅशनल फ्रीडम मुवमेंट, भारतीय राष्ट्रीय स्वतंत्र चळवळ जी होती ती क्रांतिकारी चळवळ होती. टेकिंग लीगल ॲक्शन इज द स्ट्रॅटेजी ऑफ. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आहे, टेकिंग लीगल ॲक्शन इज द स्ट्रॅटेजी ऑफ विच? इट्स अ स्ट्रॅटेजी ऑफ सोशल ॲक्शन मॉडल. ऑप्शन नंबर सी, सोशल ॲक्शन मॉडल. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आहे, fact gathering and rational decision making on the most effective course of action is a basic change strategy of. Its correct answer is social action model of community organization. Okay. 19th question. ओके. आणि दिस इज आणि हा जो पेपर आहे हा डी ग्रुप डी याचा आहे बरं का. म्हणजे याचं ABCDमध्ये जे नॉट डी, इट्स बी सोशल वर्क बी आहे. ए नाही, ABCD असे 4 हे असतात ना, तर हा बी टाईपचा आहे. ओके. तर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन होतं, who among the following define the direction for all new social movement as democratic repolitization of masses based on reinforcement of their capacity for self-organization, self-development and self-defense? So its right answer is, I think so it's right answer, it's Samir Amin. Samir Amin जे आहे हे याचं करेक्ट आन्सर आहे ऑप्शन नंबर सी. 20th question, the assumption behind the social action model of community organization is. So its correct answer is shifting of power and resources. सोशल ॲक्शन मॉडेलच्या म्हणजे मागील जे गृहीत असतं ते काय असतं, शिफ्टिंग सत्ता व संसाधनमधील बदल. ओके. नेक्स्ट, summated rating scale was developed by. So who developed this summating scale rating scale? So लिकट जे होते ना, लिकट जे आहे त्यांनी याला विकसित केलेलं आहे. ठीक आहे, समेटेड रेटिंग. क्वेश्चन नंबर 22, स्टुडंट्स टी टेस्ट इज अ टेस्ट ऑफ स्टॅटिस्टिकल सिग्निफिकन्स ऑफ व्हेरियन्स. याच्यात मला 2 याच्यामध्ये कन्फ्युजन आहे, एक तर व्हेरियन्स आणि एक तर डिफरन्स. अंतर आणि विचलन हे दोघी मला वाटतंय. आता बघू याच्यामध्ये कोणतं करेक्ट आन्सर आहे. माझ्या मते असं विचलन हा जास्त करेक्ट वाटतंय. नेक्स्ट, researchers should test dash when they carry out research study. Obviously, research hypothesis. Option number C is the correct answer. Assertion and reason. Positivism is the view that social phenomena such as human behavior ought to be studied using only the method of natural science. हा क्वेश्चन करेक्ट आहे, पण हे ओन्ली लावलं मला थोडंसं डाऊट येतो. तरी पण हा जे स्टेटमेंट आहे ते करेक्ट आहे. सोशल सायन्स रिसर्च इज द सेकंडरी डाटा. ओके. सो ह्याचं जे करेक्ट उत्तर आहे ते आहे की हे जे बोथ द स्टेटमेंट आर ट्रू. ओके. नेक्स्ट, rejected a null hypothesis when it is true, it's called. So it's called type 1 error. Next, the scientific method approaches has one of the following characteristics. Scientific method approaches has one of the characteristic is objectivity. Option number B. Option number B is correct. Objectivity. Okay. Show next 27. Uh, social work research is a इथे पण कन्फ्युजन झालं आहे मला थोडंसं. याचं पण उत्तर जे आहे ते करेक्ट सांगणं थोडंसं अवघड आहे, कारण चुकीचं सांगण्यापेक्षा बरं आहे की याला करेक्ट सांगावं, म्हणून ह्या उत्तरला आपण राहू देत आहे. नेक्स्ट घेऊ. द ट्रायंगुलेशन डिझाईन इज बेसिकली अ डॅश रिसर्च डिझाईन. सो इट्स अ क्वालिटेटिव्ह रिसर्च डिझाईन. ओके. नेक्स्ट, which method is used for getting the sample of a drug abuser? So its correct answer is option number A, snowball. Snowball जी sampling आहे ती बेस्ट आहे याच्यासाठी. Snowball sampling method. Social work research mostly help social worker in assessing the effectiveness of what? In assessing the effectiveness of option number A, social work theories. Next, which one of the following principle is not the principle of social welfare administration? So which is not the administration? It's C, the principle of planned group formation. The principle of planned group formation is not the principle of social welfare administration. Next, Pratham was established in 1995 to provide education to the children in the slum of what? In the slum of Mumbai. Okay. Next, option number B was correct. Okay, 33 question. The Foreign Contribution Regulating Act. The Foreign Contribution Regulating Act was enacted in the year 1976. Option number A is correct. Next, and an unofficial channel of communication is known as grapevine. Okay, the unofficial channel of communication is called grapevine. Next question number 35. Two or more functions have been added in postcog recently. The functions are okay. हा जे प्रश्नाचं उत्तर आहे हा पण मला भेटला नाही आहे. मी शोधलं आहे खूप काही, पण असं कोणतंही मला नेटवर किंवा बुकवर असं भेटलं नाही की अजून दोन जोडलेले आहे याच्यात. तर याला आपण गव्हर्मेंटची जे आन्सर केली त्याच्यामधूनच बघूयात. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Which one of the following principle is not the principle of social welfare administration? So its correct answer is option number D, the principle of planned group formation. This question has repeated in this question paper. 2 वेळा हा क्वेश्चन आलेला आहे. Social welfare is the organized system of the social service and institution designed to aid the individual and group to attain satisfying standard of life and health. Is the definition given by? So is the definition given by Friendlander. Okay. Next, 38 question. Dash issue and administer the FCRA certificate. So who issued and administer? So it's a Ministry of Home Affairs and Government of India. Okay, Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India issued and administered the FCRA certificate. 39th question. The National Commission for Women is a statutory body. Helpage India was established in the year of 1978. Okay, next, the national policy on education was approved by the parliament in 1986. Okay, थ्री नॅशनल पॉलिसीज थी. एक तर 96मध्ये थी आणि एक 68मध्ये थी. आणि मी 68 नव्हती, आय थिंक आय एम रॉंग. ओके, तर 3 नॅशनल पॉलिसीज आहेत. सर आपल्याला माहीत पाहिजे ते तिघी नॅशनल पॉलिसी काय होती आणि काय काय चेंजेस त्याच्यात झालेला आहे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज assertion. People's participation is essential for the success of development program. Reason, because awareness and the sensitivity lead to participation. Its correct answer is A. Both the A and R true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Okay, next. One of the following is not the sign of the social health. So, okay, whenever you read all the options, you will get does not have the confidence to meet other. It is all it this option is only a negative option, but others are positive, and this is its right answer. 44 question. Assertion. The sustainable development goal are the blueprint of achieve a better and the more sustainable future for all. Reason, because they address the global challenges we face, including those related to poverty, inequality, climate, environment, degradation, prosperity, and the peace and justice. So, what is correct answer? Obviously, its correct answer is A. Both A and R correct, and R is the correct explanation of A. Next, the concept of sustainable development. The concept of sustainable development has been incorporated in the publication of Dash. So, its right answer is Brundtland Report 1987. Brundtland Report 1987. Next question is 46th question. Kaka Commission was set up under the year of option number A, January 1953. 47. Social policy in the strategy of action, indicating the means and the method to be followed in successive phase to achieve the declared social objective. This definition was given by P.D. Kulkarni, sir. That is option number D. Okay, option number D. Next, the Human Development Index HDI is a dash used in a measure of countries' overall achievement and it's a social economic dimension. So its right answer is human growth measurement. Human growth measurement. The sustainable development goal are to be achieved by, hope you all know, that is 2030. Next, in which year Mandal Commission was set up? So Mandal Commission was set up in December 1978. Okay, and next, who among the following was not the lady member of the drafting committee of Indian Constitution? So we all know Srimati Annie Besant was not in the drafting committee, in the drafting committee. Okay, 52 question. Question number 52. Which legislation has been enacted to ensure welfare and development of Divyang? So it was the Persons with Disability 19, Act 1995. Next, when did India ratify the Convention on Right of Child? So it was in option number B, 11 December 1992. Which of the following is not the International Human Agency? Which of the following is not an international human right agency? So as we know एमनेस्टी इंटरनेशनल तो है, ह्यूमन राइट वॉच भी है, और यूनाइटेड नेशन लोअर्स ये भी है और ये भी है. इसलिए यहाँ पे therefore इथं कन्फ्युजन वाटतं आहे की कोणतं राईट आन्सर आहे. कारण मी बघितलं तर सर्वे मला दिसले की हे इंटरनॅशनल ह्युमन राईट एजन्सी आहे. तर याचं राईट आन्सर आपल्याला गव्हर्नमेंटची आन्सर कीमध्ये भेटेल. नेक्स्ट, what is the full form of UNHRC? So full form of UNHRC is a its correct answer is A, United Nations Human Rights Commission. 56th question. Which statement is most appropriate in the context of social justice? Social justice denote. So, justice denote option number A, equal treatment of all citizens without any social distinction. 57th question. The directive principle of state policies are, we all know, it is defined in the part 4th of Indian Constitution. Next, the Constitution of India declares India as a 58 58 questions, a sovereign socialist, secular and democratic republic. Next, 59th question. What was that? Next, 59th question. The Indian Constitution dash. Sorry, its correct answer is option number A, that is set out the fundamental rights, directive principle and the duty of citizen. Okay. Next question is, in the context of social justice, Article 42 of the Constitution of India stresses the importance of. So its correct answer is C, securing just and human condition of work and for maternity relief. Next question is 61st question. 61st question. In Hinduism, four age-based life stages are. So we know this stages. So we have to choose the correct sequence here. So its correct sequence is option number D, Brahmacharya, Grahastha, Vanaprastha, and then Sannyas. Okay. Next question is 62. To avail the disability benefits, disability certificate showing dash is needed. Dash percentage needed. So it's a 40%. Option D is correct. The full form of IDEAS. IDEAS full form. Its full form is not clear here, because I have searched and we have searched almost all the things, but ideas, its correct is Indian Disability and Education Act. पण हिअर बट इथे तो ऑप्शन नाही आहे, जे मी शोधलेलं आहे. इंटरनेट पण नाही आहे आणि ते बुक्समध्ये पण नाही आहे. आपल्याला याचा आन्सर आता शासनाकडूनच भेटणार आहे. चला आता नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चनवर वळूयात. 64. विच मिनिस्ट्री इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द वेलफेअर ऑफ द डिझॅबिलिटी? ठीक आहे. सो इट्स आन्सर इज ऑप्शन नंबर सी, द मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ सोशल जस्टिस अँड एम्पॉवरमेंट. Okay, the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Next question, assertion and reason. The HRM model, the HRM मतलब human resource model, that is aim to transform the organization into the coherent team or unit whose members share common goal and objectives. So its reason is problem arising from the employment relationship can only be solved through process of joint regulation and collective bargaining. Okay, so its correct answer is A. Both A and R true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Next question is CSR. CSR provision are made under which act? So its correct answer is D. The Company Act 2013. 67. Which method of social work is most frequently used in medical work? So most frequently use कोणती होते, तर ते होते केस वर्क, social case work. Okay. Next, assertion and reason. Individual who experiences poor mental health are more likely to be discriminated against and have their human right violated. Reason, because more and more family are being disorganized. So its answer is B. A and R both are true, but R is not the true explanation, correct explanation of A. B is the correct answer. Next, 69. You are the member of social work administration panel. One of the student appearing for interview shared that his mother is a patient of bipolar disorder. He was treated for addiction 3 years back but is clean now. As a panel member, you are argue. So its correct answer is option number by my opinion it's answer number C. But let's see what's the government answer key will said. Question number 70. The proposed Pradhan Mantri Shram Yogi Manthan pension scheme is for unorganized sector, obviously. Next, 71. Question number 71. The system available to address issue in families do not include. So, which one not include? It's not include emergency ward in hospital. Okay. Next, which of the following is not the main area covered by the National Institution of Social Defense? The National Institution of Social Defense. Its answer is D. Suppression of immemorial traffic. But let's see what's government's answer key will said. Next, 73 question number. Probation benefit may be given to an offender who has committed any offense punishable with imprisonment for not more than 3 years. So its correct answer is C. Next, 74. Probation may benefit under the section 3 of the PO Act means. What does it means? It means D answer option number D, that is releasing the offender on provision of good conduct after he completed 3 months of jail term. 75th question. National Disaster Management Authority, abbreviated as NDMA, is an agency under the which ministry? So its ministry is Home Affairs Ministry of Home Affairs. National Disaster Management Authority is headquarter has as हेडक्वार्टर कुठे आहे याचं आहे दिल्लीमध्ये, नवी दिल्ली. नेक्स्ट, 77th question. Dash is not a tool of public policy. So punishment is not a tool of public policy. So here are the right answer. 78 question. Children in an age group of 0 to 18 constitute dash percentage of the total population according to 2011 census. So according to 2011 census, its answer is 28%. It's around 30%. Okay, here here in option there is 28, option number C. 79. The National Nutrition Policy was adopted by the Government of India in 1993 under the aegis of. So its correct answer is option number D, the Department of Women and Child Development. The Department of the Women and the Child Development. Next question. Dash deals with the socio-economic development and empower of women through self-help group. So its correct answer is Swam Siddha Yojana. Swam Siddha Yojana deals with the socio-economic development and empowerment of women through self-help group. Next, question number 81. Integrated social work. Integrated social work refers to the use of use of what? Use of a holistic approach in the practice of social work. Next, movement that are deeply dissatisfied with the social order and work for radical change is called as, it's called as revolutionary movement. Option number B is correct. 83 question number 83, social welfare means the welfare of society, not all. Option number B is correct. Question number 84, professional social worker is based on, professional social worker is based on, professional social worker is based on D, the assumptive knowledge, hypothetical knowledge and tested knowledge. The famous book Unto the Last was authored by John Ruskin. Next question. 86. The key role of the social worker working with, the key role of the social worker working on the domestic violence located in the police station is what? Is तर A आणि D याच्यामध्ये होऊ शकतो, यात A नाही तर D, पण माझ्या मते हा D इज द बेस्ट suited. 87th question. The demographic profile of India 2018 indicates that India has more than -% of population below the age of 35 years. So it is 65%, more than 65%. Okay. 88. Which one of the following most adequately define the nature of social work? So which was it? It is option number D, the problem solving by using unique skills, unique knowledge and attitude. Question number 89, assertion and reason. Assertion is social work profession promotes social change. Reason is because because its core thrust is on the empowerment and liberation of people to enhance well-being. So its correct answer is A. Both A and R true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Next question. Nehru Yuva Kendra aim to channelize the power of youth on the principle of, what? On the principle of voluntarism, self-help group and community participation. 91st question. 91th question is, the phrases power elite is coined by, it's coined by option number B, C. Wright Mills. It's coined by C. Wright Mill. Next question. Assertion. Nuclear family is disintegrated in modern India. Reason. Transition from the agrarian to industrial economy responsible for the disintegration. Absolutely right. Its answer is both A and R correct, and R is the correct explanation of A. 93 question. Discrimination on the ground of sex is a what? Is a gender discrimination. Next. Question number 94. Calling a child home from a friend's birthday party for not completing homework is an example of, what? Is an example of punishment. 95th question. Role theory was drawn from, which theory? It's a learning theory. Option number A was correct. 96th question. Development can be understood in the terms of, what? An interaction between heredity and the environment. Question number 97. The first country in the world to launch a nationwide family planning program is India, because we have launched this program in 1952. 98th question. Assertion. Motives are internal state which cannot be observed directly. Reason. Motives help in prediction about behavior. Okay, so its correct answer is A, that is both A and R correct, and R is a correct explanation of A. 99th question. Freud described five development periods during which particular kind of pleasure must be gratified if personality development is a proceed normally. Select the correct order in which psychosexual stage of development appear. So its correct answer is C. So the sequence is like this: oral stage, anal stage, phallic stage, then latency stage, and last is genital stage. Next is last question. Striving to be an excellent writer or painter is due to. So it's due to what? It's due to need to live to our fullest and unique potential. Okay. So this was the answer key made by me and my some friends. So hope this will be beneficial for you. Thank you so much.